Okay, I'm going to quickly show you a few options you have for resizing cells in Microsoft Excel. If you want to see more about formatting, you can watch my other videos. Quickly, so you have a few options. So here we have this spreadsheet. We have these cells. We know these aren't big enough to display the numbers because they've got these number signs in them. The first thing you can do is I can just click up here on between D and E on this header row here. When this little arrow turns into a trigger or into crosshairs, there we go. Now I can just drag to the right, make that cell bigger. There we go. You can also double click it and it'll optimize the width, and I don't even have to know. You can highlight two at once and drag them and it'll resize them both. Double click both at once and it'll optimize them. Or if you want to make it really easy on yourself, you can just go up here to this corner, highlight the whole sheet, pick any column you want, double click it, it'll optimize it, the whole sheet. You can do the same thing for rows, double click it, there we go, that's optimized. Or I can click one row and drag it, another row and drag it, highlight two cells and drag it, it'll resize them both. If I want to get it all back to optimized, just double click,